Welcome back. Today I'm building a dartboard holder out of a 2x8. First step is going to be to router the perimeter edge. I did go ahead and burn the face on this one as well. Just took a propane torch to it just to darken out. You can see it really brings out the grain in it. And then it made it pop too with the, I kept the edges whether it's routered light. So it made that face pop a little more. So I like the way that looked. If you're not familiar with burning, it's pretty easy. You just take a propane torch to it, keep the torch moving across the wood, and you'll darken, bring out the grain lines in it, and then just go ahead and sand lightly on it, and that'll take the initial burn off of the rest of the face, and you'll keep it in the grain. Now that the edge is done, I went ahead and routed out the place where the darts are going to sit. I measured this out to where the flights would be, I think, about 1.5 inches from the top, and then I also left about 1.5 inches at the bottom where the bottom darts are sitting as well. I did this for 4 sets of darts. You can adjust yours however you need to do it, but this one's done for 4 sets of darts. So I did do 4 grooves across it. And then I also routed it in 2 different phases. I did the initial router for the deep groove, and then I actually beveled the top so that the darts don't bump the top as you're putting them in and out of the holder. On the back, I went ahead and added the hole to hang it from. Use the keyhole bit on the router. It actually works perfectly. I made it about 1 inch long so that the nail head would go in the bottom and you can slide it up to lock it into place. And last thing was to drill in the holes where the darts are going to sit in there. Equally spaced 3 different holes on each of these. I did this in 2 separate phases. I used the bigger drill bit for the actual base of the dart, and then I used an 1/8 inch drill bit for the long tip of the dart as well. Hope you enjoyed this project, and let me know what you think.